Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have to go for the next is the full subtractor. So before we start in the subtraction, so full subtractor is basically 3 bit. Full subtractor is basically working for the 3 bit. Now after the subtraction, we can say it is goes to the same output, that is the difference and the borrow. So we just insert one table which is connected to the, so we just connect it as there is the first is the A as an input, B as an input, and the C as an input, and we can find the difference and we can find the borrow. It is clear to all of you? So we just take that 0, 0, 0. Can anyone say what is the difference between 0 minus 0 minus 0? Did anybody reply?
Zero.
Zero.
Difference will be zero and borrow will also be zero.
It is 0, 0. Okay. So can anyone say for the 0, 0, 1? What are the difference?
So
One,
difference
one.
will be one, and borrow should be one.
Okay. So can anyone say for the next zeros, sorry, 0, 1, 0,
1, 0.
1 and 0. 1, 0. How it is done?
1 and 1,
Here,
sir.
1 and 1. So we are going to this 1, 1. So 0 minus 1, there should be 1 carry and there is difference is 1. So can anyone say what is for the 0, 1, 1? It is the 0, 1.
0, 1.
I hope you identify how we are going for that. Next for the 1, 0, 0. What is the difference?
1, 1.
That is the your 1, 1. No, no, no. I think you are doing some mistake. So I will just again with you. 1 minus 0. What is the difference? Can anyone say 1 minus 0? What is the
1,
difference?
1.
One.
One.
1. Carry is 0. Okay. Again, this value minus 0. This is the 1. So we choose this one. So 1 minus 0. Again, the difference is 0 and carry is 1. So we can say
Sir,
there is
when
the
we subtract, where from we start? C to B and then to A.
A minus B, you have to subtract that. First A minus B, whatever the result is come, A minus B, whatever the result is come, suppose this is the A bar. So next A bar minus C. This is your actual
Okay.
result. You have to remember
স্যার তাহলে
first.
তো 1 মাইনাস 0 তো 1 হওয়ার কথা।
Sorry.
এখানটাতে আপনি ওই যখন বোঝালেন দেখুন সেকেন্ড স্টেপে করেছেন 1 মাইনাস 0 0 করে ক্যারিতে 1 দিচ্ছেন।
I will
হ্যাঁ, ওই
just do it
জন্যই
again.
করলাম।
1 minus 0. This 1 is, here is the A and 0 is the B.
স্যার ওইটা না ওর পরেরটা
স্যার সেকেন্ড লাইনে দেখুন।
সেকেন্ডে ওখানে
Zero?
নয় স্যার, এখানে বুঝিয়েছেন যেখানে সেখানে সেকেন্ড মাইনাসটা দেখুন 1 মাইনাস 0।
Yes, whatever the result is come, the result is come 1.
এই যে 1 লিখেছেন দেখুন
Yes,
মাইনাস
1.
0
Minus 0, the C value is 0.
হ্যাঁ এখানে রেজাল্ট 0 লিখছেন।
Yes, there is the 1. It is my mistake. There is 1 and there is 0. So we just put the difference is 1 and the borrow is 0. Now it is clear.
Yes, sir.
I will do again for next 1, 0, 1. What is the result? 1, 0, 1.
ডিফারেন্সটা জিরো হবে।
And borrow
1
দুটোই জিরো হবে কি করে?
0.
বড় 0
Again, I am doing for it.
এটা
Same.
বুঝতে পারলাম এটা জিরো কেন?
Ask.
1 minus 0, 1, 1 minus 1, 0.
I will do it again here. The first point is the, you can see the first point is the 1. So 1 minus 0. What is the result? 1 carry 0. Now 1 minus 1, because this is the third one. So this value is 0 and carry is also 0. So we just put this is 0 and this is 0. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next is for the 1 1 0. Can anyone say what is for the 1 1 0? One minus one, this is 0. Again 0 minus 0, this is 0. So
0
we can
0.
put 0 0. So the next we just insert 1. So this is the 1 1 1. Can anyone say what is the result?
0 1.
1 minus 1 is 0. Now 0 minus 1. Can anyone say what is the result? I will do it again with you.
0.
So at the very first, there is 1 minus 1 minus 1. So first is 1 minus 1. What is the result?
0.
0. Now this one minus 1, the difference is 1. Also carry is 1.
1.
1.
Both is
0
So
1
we
is
can
one.
get that there is the 1 1. I think it is clear.
Yes,
Acha,
sir.
acha.
Just remove this thing. First clear about the truth table, or I can do it again. So you can easily identify. We just first subtract the A
স্যার
minus.
আরেকবার বলুন বুঝতে পারছি না ভালো করে।
Acha, Shantan, okay. So we are going for A minus B. Now whatever the result is come, maybe this is come, maybe this is come something. So this value minus C. So we are going for the next part. A minus B minus C. So how can we do that? So at the very first point, we have to go for the 0 0 0. So Shantan, you please see that 0 0 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Again 0 minus 0 is 0. So difference is 0, borrow is 0. Now suppose if we go for the 0 0 1. Shantan, please unmute.
হ্যাঁ বলুন স্যার।
If you go for the 0 0 1, what is the result? Suppose we choose that 0 minus 0 is the 0.
ইয়েস স্যার।
Again, this 0 minus 1, because there is 1 is available. So 0 minus 1 ki hobe?
1 হবে।
1 difference 1, carry 1.
হ্যাঁ।
So we just put the difference is 1, carry is 1. The next 0 minus 1 minus 0. So at the very first, we choose that 0 minus 1. So what is the result for this one?
1
This is 1, carry is also 1.
1
Now this one minus 0.
1 হবে ক্যারি 1।
So we just put that there is 1, there is also 1. Again, we have to choose for 0 1 1. So first we have to go for the 0 minus 1. Here we have to discuss this word 0 1 1. So 0 minus 1 kya hobe?
1
1, carry 1, minus 1 because you can see here there is the 1. So this is the 0 and carry is 1. So we can put that this is the 0 1. The same thing for the 1 minus 0 minus 0. So difference is 1, carry or borrow is 0. I hope it is clear to all of you.
ইয়েস স্যার।
Anyone have any doubt regarding this truth table? Full other?
No, sir.
Oh, So here we have to find out the expression of this thing. So we just going the same thing for the expression part using the Carnot map. I will not explain here what is the Carnot map in this part, because this Carnot map is done by the digital electronics theory part. So it is not taken by me. So I will just write the expression with you. So there are the expression for the first part, that is the difference. So the difference is working as a XOR B XOR C. So A XOR, I will just insert XOR कहाँ से? Sorry. A XOR B, I think ऊपर यहाँ एक XOR बनाया था. Control C and A XOR B XOR C. So this is the expression for the difference, and the next part is for the borrow. We can write that BC, or we can say the B dot C plus A bar B, or not of A, just using one bracket, not of A dot B, again plus, we just write that not of A dot C, not of A dot C. So you can easily identify that our expression, we are going to express something A is or B is or C, and borrow is B dot C plus not of A dot B plus not of A dot C. So we just take it as a example, and we are going to implement in the logarithm software this particular expression. I hope it is visible to all of you.
So can you repeat with the difference part? How it is
Yes, difference
implemented?
part is nothing but A's or B's or C. We are going to implement using the circuit that A's or B's or C.
Sir, borrowed expression টা কিভাবে নিয়ে এলেন?
That is done by the Carnot map. I am repeatedly tell you, this is done by the Carnot map. But how this 3-bit Carnot map is work, it is explained by the Uttam sir. Uttam sir, who is taking the digital electronics class or lab. I hope you know him. So on that part, he will again explain how this particular expression is come.
স্যার তিনটে করে ইনপুট থাকছে, তো বড়তে তো তিনটে থাকবে, প্রত্যেকটা ইকুয়েশনের প্রত্যেকটা পার্টে তিনটে করে পার্ট থাকবে না? যেমন ফার্স্টে 1 1 যেখানে আছে, তো ওখানে তো এ বি সি বার এরকম হওয়া উচিত না?
No, no, actually XOR means nothing but if you write someone write that A XOR B, I will just explain with you. A XOR B, this is nothing but a not of A. I will just explain that not of A dot B plus A dot not of B. So this is the expression is something, XOR expression is something like that. So from here we just find the whatever we can say the equation. So this equation is right. We are just going to implement the same equation in the logarithm software. Shreyoshi, are you? I think it is clear. Any XOR expression is same as that not of A dot B and A not of A dot not of B.
বড়তে স্যার আমাদের তো তিনটে আছে না ইনপুটের, এ বি সি, সো ইচ পার্ট শুড কন্টেইন 3 আই গেস এলিমেন্ট, এ বি সি তো থাকা উচিত। তো বড় ইকুয়েশনে যে কোনোটাতে বিসি আছে কোনোটাতে
স্যার
তাই
বড়টা তো
বুঝতে
করতে
পারছি
হবে
না।
প্রথমে, মানে তিনটে অ্যান্ড গেট তৈরি করতে হবে, করে নিয়ে তিনটের থেকে যে আউটপুটটা বেরোচ্ছে সেটাকে একটা অর গেটে লাগিয়ে বড় আউটপুটটা নিতে হবে।
না
হ্যাঁ,
না, এখানে তোর এখানে যেখানে ইসে আছে না, ওয়ান আছে না, তো ওগুলোতেই জাস্ট দিতে হবে।
yes, you are right, but we are minimize the expression. After the expression come, we just minimize that. So how
আচ্ছা
this
আচ্ছা।
minimization process is done, there are some rules and regulation is there. I will say that De Morgan's theorem, they are saying the break the line and change the sign. So there are some part of the digital electronics. If I ask about this thing, it is takes near about 1 hour time. How this expression is minimized, how this Carnot map is going for the,
এক্সপ্রেশনটাকে মিনিমাইজ করাটাকে কি কার্নো ম্যাপ বলে ইউজ আপনি বলছেন? এই কার্নো
sorry,
ম্যাপের কোনো রুল আছে?
কার্নো ম্যাপের রুল আছে, এছাড়া অনেক ল আছে। ডি মর্গানস ল তুমি মনে রাখতে পারো, ডি মর্গানস ল ইজ সেইং ব্রেক দ্য লাইন চেঞ্জ দ্য সাইন। সো এরকম অনেক কিছু আছে, তো সেগুলো এক্সপ্রেস করার পরে আমরা এই বড়টায় আসতে পারি।
আচ্ছা, এটা মিনিমাইজ এক্সপ্রেশন, এটা বুঝতে পেরেছি।
সো হ্যাঁ, ইয়েস, দিস ইজ দ্য মিনিমাইজ এক্সপ্রেশন।
কি করে হলো ওটা উত্তম স্যার বলবে না?
আরে
দিস
তো
ইজ
যেটা ওয়ান আছে ওখানটাতে তো এবার বিবার
electronics
সি ছিল।
class, sir. How it is come and how this algorithm we have to use. This all
ওটা
this.
আমাদের
সলভ করলেই পেয়ে যাবি।
এসওপি ফর্ম দিয়ে সলভ করলে এটা চলে আসবে।
Yes, you are right. This SOP,
কারণ
this,
ওয়ানটা
this
দিয়ে
all is
এবার
explained
বিবার
by the.
হচ্ছে, এবার ওখান থেকে আবার কমন নিতে থাকতে হবে, তারপর ডিস্ট্রিবিউশন লাগালে চলে আসবে।
আমি
Yes,
দেখি
you
না
are right.
যে কি করে হলো পুরোটা একসাথে।
I think I just repeat one thing. I think there is some confusion in your mind. Just choose as a this is the expression for the difference and this is the for the borrow. Just we are going to implement here how this expression is come. It is explained by the digital electronics class, and it is takes 1 or 2 class to explain how this minimization process is done, what are the algorithm is there, what are the rules and regulation are there. So it is takes lots of time, so I will not go for that. I think digital electronics there is something classes going on with you. अभी तक कहाँ तक हुआ है? Can
স্যার
anyone
এগুলো
say?
হয়ে গেছে, এসওপি হয়ে গেছে, পিওএসও শেষের দিকে।
So I think you know how to minimize this circuit.
না, কিন্তু স্যার আমাদেরকে উত্তম স্যার কার্নো ম্যাপের কোনো বলে কোনো আলাদা রুল তো কিছু বলেন উনি তো, মানে আমাদের ডি মর্গানস থিওরেম পড়েছেন, তারপর ডিস্ট্রিবিউটিভ ল, এগুলো সব আমরা জানি, কিন্তু
কার্নো
কার্নো
ম্যাপটা আলাদা একটা চ্যাপ্টার রে, ওটার পরের চ্যাপ্টারটা এটা।
Another chapter.
এ করেনি,
He will
বলেনি স্যার।
explain that.
ম্যাপ
All,
আচ্ছা
he
আচ্ছা।
will explain all these things. Please keep patience. He will definitely explain that. This is the part of your syllabus. So I will not go for this part. I will just, here we are going to the hands-on implementation. So we are just using this thing. So don't be panic. Just implement the same circuit with you. So I am just creating the same circuit. So I think my screen is visible. Just I am go to the new part. So first we have to go for the A, B, C. So we choose that A, and someone is B, and someone is C. So we just write here, so you can easily identify this is the A, this is the B, and this is the C. So we just connect them using some XOR gate. So we just use the one XOR gate here first. So where we have to connect this XOR gate to the uh, basically first part. This is connected to this part. Whatever the result is come, this result again we put another XOR gate. Yes, just put another XOR gate. So just you can see, and this part is connected. Again the next connection. So there is the come as a A's or B's or C. So we just put one LED within that. So here we just put one output line for that. So this is the XOR operation done, and basically this is called the difference. And now we have to go for the next operation, which is go for the borrow. So what is the B dot C? So we just going for the B dot C. We'll just explain here. So we are going for the B's or C. So first, sorry, B dot C. B dot C matlab AND gate. So we just use
Yeah,
one AND
and
gate. Just go for the 2. What is going on? Just use one AND gate, which is go for the 2. So it is connected to the B dot C. You can see here there is connection to the B dot C. So just connect it B and for the C. So there is some output is come. Again, the next operation is for the not of A dot B. So not of A dot B, how is it done? So not of A, for that reason we are just using one not gate here. So we just use one not gate here. And just connect not of A dot B. So again we have to connect another data for the B. So we just connect it for the B and use another AND gate. So I will just explain here. So you can say there is the another output is come, and the third one is come as a not of A. You can see not of A dot C. So not of A is here. So this one dot C. So C is in this particular point. I will just connect it again, and the C is here. So we have to just give another AND gate. This
Sir,
AND
actually
gate.
there should be half adder and then it will be like
Yes,
plus.
yes. Just connect them. And there should be, after that there is the OR operation. You can see that in this expression there is plus sign, that means the OR operation. So we just take the OR gate and connect the first two. So I just connect it here and do it again. Whatever the result is come, again use the another OR gate, which is for the second output and the final output. So we just collect it and connect, and again we are collect it and connect. So whatever the result is come, this is called the final output. So we just put the another output. So you just save and run, simulate. So you just see that 1 1 1, whatever the result is come, 1 1 1, there is the result is for the 1 1. I think it is clear. Or we can say that 0 0 1, again the 1 1 is come, again the 1 1 is come. If you go for the 1 0 0, that is the 1 0 is come, 1 0 0, that is the 1 0 is come, 1 0 0, sorry, 1 0 is come. So you can implement that according to your requirement. This is the circuit. Basically it is defined the difference, and this one is defined the borrow. Again, you can go for the same thing for the project and analyze circuit. You can find the truth table. This is same as whatever we have discussed previously, and you can go for the expression. This is details expression is given, and after the minimization, how this minimization done, it is explained in